welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to update TikTok account to newest version. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to update your TikTok account to your newest version, you need to simply open your Play Store. So once you open your Play Store, into the search bar simply type in TikTok. Once you're in a TikTok, you will be having this kind of interface. So as you can see, there is an update that is available. Simply tap on that particular update option. So once you do this, now the update will start to get downloaded on your device. So once the download process is completed, you can simply find an option called installing in your device screen. So as you can see, there is an option called installing right on our screen. This will be letting you have the latest and updated version of TikTok account. So once the installation process is also completed, you can find the option called open. So once you tap on the open option, you will be able to get the updated TikTok account, which is in the newest version possible. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.